Being a second time mom has given me so many open and great opportunities to try so many things with my first child. What you experimented with him or her will no longer be an experiment, but rather a way of life, all right? Yeah, because you have already established it. So um there is this thing I love doing so much because I don't like seeing those stuff there. Yeah, just chime in and find out the what I'm talking about. Because so many new mothers, I see them asking questions. How do you do this? How do you go about this? How and so many questions keep coming. Okay, we are here to show you a quick one and the best way to clean up this stuff using something you can get from your kitchen. Doesn't have side effect. Doesn't have any reason to doubt the effectiveness of it. Just one touch and everything is clear. Let's go there. So here comes my first towel, and this is the size of paste tomato. This fresh tomato. It's fresh tomato. So just wash with salt, clean and disinfect. Okay, that's the first thing I will do. Just add it. You can use warm water. You can use hot water. But here I'm using um I'm so here is the tomato. That's just it. So what I do first, slice it open, remove the seedlings. Okay. So yummy. I like it. So let me kute. Since this thing is getting longer. Here comes the odogu. The odogu parara. He's going to cry. He's going to throw some tantrum because of discomfort, but no problem. Here we go. Let's do it. Jesus loves me. This I know. I wish there is a way I can picture inside, but